Hi, welcome back to Barbecue Life UK. My name is Tom and today we're cooking Moroccan couscous. Cut the peppers, onions, carrots and courgette into 1/2 inch cubes. Place a tablespoon of oil into a baking tray and add the vegetables. Cook for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. You can do this in your oven or outside in your barbecue. Place the couscous, turmeric and raisins into a bowl. Cover with stock and stir well. For the marinade, put the remaining oil into a bowl. Add the garlic and lemon juice. Then add the cumin, coriander, cinnamon and salt. And give this a good stir. After 15 minutes the vegetables will have softened. After 5 minutes remove the cloth and lightly fluff the couscous with a fork. Add in your roasted vegetables. And the chickpeas, and mix well. Add the marinade evenly. Stir again and transfer to a serving platter. Sprinkle on the toasted almonds. And the basil mint. If you can't get hold of basil mint, just use basil and spearmint. So this makes a fantastic side dish for all barbecues. You can put it with all meat, fish, it just blends right in. It's got such wonderful flavours within it. Let's give it a taste. If you can get hold of that basil mint, it really sets everything else off. If not, then just use a spearmint and a basil leaf, mix them together and you'll get the same effect. But if you can get hold of basil mint itself, it's brilliant. I love all the colours as well. It's fantastic. So if you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, please do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video, leave me a comment underneath. Let me know what you think of this cook. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to cook in the future. Thank you very much for watching.